a journey somewhere. Sometimes the path is clear, sometimes a little dirty, sometimes it takes you by rocks and obstacles. On either side, there's always something keeping you in the lane, aside from the guardrail, of course. It's always a wonderment driving weather like this, safely, cautiously, enjoying the space around you where there's not people behind you breathing down your neck and you're not breathing down somebody else's neck. That peace, solitude, those moments of tranquility in between. And always helps too when you can crank up the tunes a little bit in a cautious reverence to all things around you. Stay awesome.